welcome back to the other side. Sorry for this lack of quality. I'm filming on my laptop again, as you can see. But that's because I've been filming quite a lot lately, and that's because I've been pre-filming videos for my main channel for 31 Days of Halloween, and I am just like, nope, can't be bothered to do a proper setup, and also because I'm feeling a bit like icky today, so yeah, I'm not feeling 100%, so I'm just gonna chill and just gonna have a chill like chat video. So what this video is going to be about, well, you already know in the title, but I'm going to tell you guys something that happened to me, and I can't explain it, and so I feel like it's a good thing to tell and like to you guys on this channel and to put on this channel, because it was unexplainable, and it's very strange. It's a very strange thing that happened to me. So this happened one night. I'm pretty sure it was sometime last month, and it was late at night. It was definitely past midnight, and as well, some of you may know, all of you probably don't know this, but I'm a night owl. I can stay up pretty late. I can stay up till like 2:30, and like even past that, but pretty much I can stay up until like 2:30, and then after that I get tired. But it was, I don't remember what time it was, but it was pretty late at night, and I was like almost getting to sleep, and then I started to started to hear these rustling noises of the bushes that are outside my window. We have tons of bushes out there, so and trees and stuff. So I was like, oh, it's probably just possums, because we've had possums in our backyard before, like plenty of times, and I thought it was just the possums. So, and I also had heard possum noises earlier as well, so I was like, you know what, it's just the possums. And then a few minutes passed, and then something really weird happened. So, like I said, I was hearing all this rustling noises in the bushes, and I just thought it was the possums, like I said. But then all of a sudden, I hear these 3 knocks on my window, and I'm pretty sure it was this window up here. And as you can see, it's up pretty high, and I'm pretty sure it was on that one. And I hear these 3 knocks just like this on my window, and it creeped me out so much, and I had no idea what it was. I was like, surely a possum couldn't do that, and I was like, surely that's not a possum, because I feel like possums don't know how to knock, or I don't know. I was like, that's not a possum, and it creeped me out so much. And as you guys can see, I'll show you the window again. As you can see, it's pretty high, and you can see that it's got blinds. I was like so scared like to pull it down, and like if I had pulled it down, I was terrified that I was going to like see someone's like face there or something, and it was just like terrifying, and I was so scared. Like as soon as that happened, I like froze. I was like, oh my god, what the hell was that? And it was so scary, and I didn't know what it was, and I like had never been more scared in my own house than I did that night, because it was just so scary, and just those 3 knocks creeped me out so much, and it was just like, oh my god. And then I've never heard it again, like ever. So it was really weird, and I can't explain it. I don't know what it was, because I was way too scared to go and look outside to see. Like I was like, I didn't know. I was like, oh my god, was that like a possum, or was that like a burglar? Is someone trying to get into my house? Like I have no idea. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't like a burglar or something, but because this neighborhood is like, it's really safe, this neighborhood, like there hasn't like, well, that not that I know of, in our street there has been like no, ever since I've lived here, there's been like no break-ins, and so yeah, it's a pretty safe neighborhood where I live, and so that creeped me out so much, and I've never heard it since. So I'm not saying it's paranormal because it obviously wasn't, and it was outside, and I just have no idea what it was. So that's why it's unexplainable, because I have no idea like who did it or what did it, and that's a thing with the paranormal. There's so many unexplainable things, and I feel like knocking is one of them, and a lot of people do the knocking thing when they go like investigating. I've seen it on Ghost Hunters. They use the knocking thing, and like you say, like, well, I've seen it on this other show called Ghost Hunting with, and it's with the host is Yvette Fielding, and it's a show in the UK. It doesn't air anymore. It's pretty old. And she goes ghost hunting with like famous like UK celebrities, and she does the knocking thing, and she goes do 2 knocks for yes and 1 for no, and so yeah, I've seen the knocking thing on ghost hunting shows quite a lot, but yeah, that knocking noise that just creeped me out so much, and it was so unexplainable because I had no idea what it was, and I was way too scared and creeped out to go and investigate and see what it was, because like that window there, it really creeps me out because it's so like it's pretty high, and I always feel like that sometimes because you can kind of see if there's like someone there, and I always get creeped out like at night if I like open the blinds and then I'm gonna see like someone's face there. It's really creepy and it creeps me out so much. So yeah, that was just a little story that I wanted to tell you guys, and I don't know, it's so weird that I like haven't heard it ever again. So what do you guys think it was? And yeah, it was just a really weird and bizarre thing that I experienced, and I haven't experienced it since, and I'm kind of happy that I haven't experienced it since because it totally creeped me out. So yeah, anyway, I just kind of wanted to tell you guys that story because I thought it was pretty weird, and I thought that you would enjoy it because it just, oh my god, it was just one of the weirdest things I've ever experienced. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next Friday with a new video. Alright, bye guys.